Okay, this will be interesting. Let me do this one too. Yeah. This will be interesting in that I am recording simultaneously on BombBomb on Zoom, and we'll see if that works. Rachel Resch, beautiful fellow NIA teacher, asked me to share how I am using my little AirPods with Zoom to teach class when I'm traveling. And all I have here is my laptop, and I'm going to show how I do that. On the Zoom recording, you're going to be able to hear how the music and the voice works. And on the BombBomb, hopefully, as I'm sharing screen, you're going to see how this works. That's the plan. Now let's see if we can put that into action. So make this a little bigger so you can see. And in fact, I think I can turn this off here. Okay, I'm going to do that and make this screen biggest. There we go. So here I am in class, and I go to the share screen. Then in shared screen, I go to advanced. In advanced, I select computer audio, and then I click share. Now you'll see on my Zoom screen, it shares you are sharing computer sound. Then what I want to do is go to my music, and on my music, if I start to play, and then I'll come back to the screen. So that's also another thing, like on my Mac, I just do 3 fingers swipe. So the music is playing, and then I'll come back on the screen. So that has shown you how you connect the music and how you play with that. So now the only other part to do is the AirPods. So now I'm putting my AirPods on, and I am going to go to my Bluetooth and make sure that these ones are connected. Okay, and so now my AirPods are connected, and here on my audio, I'm going here, and the microphone I'm going to use is my AirPods number 2, and my speaker, so that I can hear the music when I teach in my AirPods, I'm going to change that to AirPods number 2. Okay, so now I'm going to do my 3 fingers to swipe back to my music, and now this music is playing, and from the Zoom one, 3 fingers, I'm going to zoom back, and hopefully you can hear my voice, and you can also hear the music. Now the cool thing is if I was practicing before class, the way I mix this is, look, I can turn the volume up in the music, and I'm just using my finger on my volume. So if my voice was too loud, I might go with music all the way up, and then you can see as I keep talking, the music goes down. So if I need my voice to be louder, I could adjust that with the volume key of my computer. Okay, and you pause the music. And then the other way of doing that is when I come to audio, I can go to audio settings. And in audio settings, there is the microphone setting, and then there's also the output. So sometimes I find the output to be too loud when it's up here, but I want my music to be that high for the participants in class. So, here, where it's the output volume, that's me. Me hearing the music in my ears is a little bit lower than what they would hear. And then microphone, see, I can turn this up higher so that people will hear my voice louder. I don't tend to have automatically adjust the microphone volume. And then I have this on high fidelity music. I don't have the echo cancellation or the stereo audio on. And so then original sound for musicians, which is recommended. So they are the settings, and I went to audio for that. So now on this one, I've turned the microphone volume up, and I'm going to go back to the music so you can see if you can hear a difference. Let's go to this same song. So now my voice, see if that sounds any louder or not. And then really what it is you can play with the volume of the music and also the volume with your voice. So this is where the mic is as close as possible for people listening. And the other way, I can turn the music up here. That would be louder. Or I can turn the music down. So, okay. So then I'm going to turn the music off and come back here. And I do like the little swipe thing with my computer. Look, 3 fingers, 3 fingers. So when I'm teaching class and I need to quickly go to my music, I'll just do shoop. So I'm going to do that now. And there's my music. Make a change, maybe to another song. And then 3 fingers, boop, I'm back here. Yeah. And then the music will start and we'll go. And then when I want to stop the music, I just go here and stop. Hope that helps, and let me know how I can help more. Be well. See, now all I'm doing is I can travel with my laptop. I can teach outside. I can teach from my mom's kitchen. I can teach when I go to visit Liliana. And yeah, I really like the ease. And all I need is my little AirPods. Bye for now.